ExactRate liquid fertilizer allows operators to control liquid fertilizer application using the Gen 4 operating system and section control. In this video, I will describe the difference between manual sections and section control sections, show how to view and change the manual sections, and show how to access performance tuning for seed and fertilizer operations. When turning sections on and off from the display or checking rows from the keypad near the pump, the rows are controlled in sections. This manual custom sections configuration is set from the factory but can be changed by the operator. On the display, open the ExactRate app by opening the menu, choose the Machine Settings tab, and press the ExactRate button. In the ExactRate app, the Sections module is for controlling the banks of rows manually from the display or the nozzle check button on the keypad. Press Disable All to turn all sections off. Press Enable All to turn all sections on. Open the Custom Sections module by pressing the Custom button. Here, you can manually turn custom sections on and off. Operators will find this useful when investigating flow detection warnings. In this case, activating Section 3 turns on rows 5 and 6. The total number of manual sections cannot be changed, but the row assignments within those sections can be changed. To do this, press the Customize Sections Edit button. In this example, we have a 16-row planter with 7 total sections and 4 rows in the middle section. To move row number 7 from section 4 to 3, the operator would change the section 3 row count to 3. Then change the row count for section 4 to 3. The section width will automatically update. Press Save. Press OK to keep the changes. Now, activating Section 3 will turn on rows 5, 6, and 7. Note, these settings do not affect any row assignments for the seed. When operating an ExactRate liquid fertilizer system in the field with section control, the rows are always controlled on a single row basis. Each row will turn off individually as it enters coverage, and each row will turn on as it exits coverage. To complete performance tuning, open the menu and choose the Applications tab. Choose Section Control. As you can see here, there are separate performance tuning buttons for the seed operation and the fertilizer operation. When applying fertilizer in the furrow, operators will want to use the same work point for the seed and fertilizer. When applying fertilizer through frame-mounted openers, operators will probably want to use a shorter work point for the fertilizer than the seed. Now you should be able to describe the difference between manual sections and section control sections, show how to view and change the manual sections, and show how to access performance tuning for seed and fertilizer operations.